This is the installation procedure for the Lockly Secure Pro Latch lockset. To complete this installation, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a ruler, a pair of needle nose pliers, and an optional flathead screwdriver and an optional drill with a 1/2 inch drill bit. Remove any existing lockset from the door. Prep the door if necessary. The cross bore hole must be 2 1/8 inches in diameter. The edge bore hole must be 1 inch in diameter. The backset should be 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 inches. The upper portion of the lockset can be secured with adhesives or optional fasteners. To use the fasteners, an additional hole can be drilled. Please refer to the provided template for the drilling dimensions.